Look at us from up top here. Beautiful day, starting to be to the evening here. Getting ready to clean these gutters out up here on this top story. Here on the this is a 5,400 square foot home. And I believe this is called the Farm to Land Learning Center. All right, so right here, I'm gonna come to this edge right here, take a look down in these gutters here, and we see what we got over here. We got to blow these out, not too much in here, so it's light work. On that side, there's no gutters over there, so let's take a look over there. I'm gonna make this quick here. There's no gutters right down there. We're gonna go over here, check this area right here. Oh man, look, somebody cutting up out there. I'm out here in the boonies. Okay, there's not much in that gutter there, but we'll go ahead and blow it. Take a look at this gutter here. Not very much in here as well. There's no trees over here, so we figured that. But nonetheless, we're still gonna go ahead and blow this out and get this stuff all situated, rinse it down. How about over here? We have a little bit in the gutter, okay? Especially down at the end down there. I don't know if you can see that, if you can make that out, but yeah, down at the end. So let's go ahead and get to it for the Supreme Clean. You know the slogan, make that phone number ring, okay? Information and the link down in the description. Visit us at allterrain.com if you're in the Sacramento region. Why would you choose anyone other than the best? Unless you prefer the rest. All right, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions. Thank you.